Today was a short hearing as the two sides are preparing for trial on this one set of charges for the alleged incident. But at the same time, again, law enforcement officials in Henrico County repeating that call for other potential victims to step up.
Dean Lakey leaves Henrico Circuit Court Wednesday after a brief hearing. His new defense attorney says they're still waiting to see prosecutors' evidence before deciding on a trial by judge or jury. Lakey faces 6 charges dating from 2017 for alleged sexual offenses with a girl in her early teens, including rape. Lakey is a longtime teacher and coach at Short Pump Middle School and remains on unpaid leave. Meanwhile, in the lead-up to the hearing, Henrico County's police chief and Commonwealth's attorney released a joint statement asking for other potential victims to come forward.
Due to our knowledge of how these types of scenarios usually play out, this is not just a one-victim situation.
Commonwealth's attorney Shannon Taylor says since the charges were announced, they've received anonymous tips but are asking people to come forward themselves.
We do want to hear what has happened. We will be here to be supportive and give them the support and confidence that they need.
VCU criminal justice professor Dr. Christina Mancini says it makes sense for them to put this out, as studies have found an estimated 10% of students suffer from some form of sexual misconduct from school employees, and victims can number in the dozens for one person.
Individuals that are successful at evading detection of sex offenses usually have very long careers of this, and they're successful precisely because of this facade that they put on. They're not the scary stranger lurking somewhere in the shadows.
Mancini says while it may be challenging for potential victims to come forward, considering their possible ages and the defendant being out on bond, the fact officials are asking should give them some hope.
It may be a long process, but there are people willing to listen and that want to know so that we can prevent these types of crimes in the future.
Now, Lakey wouldn't talk to media either in or outside of the courthouse, but his defense attorney told me no comment in relation to this statement from Taylor and the police chief. As to the case, the next hearing is November 4th, where they will likely set a trial type and date.